Female version of a hustler, of a hustler, of a hustler. Na diva is a female version of a hustler, of a hustler, of a hustler. Stop the track, let me stay fast.
What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So it is currently Monday, and I just received my other products that I was telling you about in the mail from Main Choice. Just a couple of products that I had forgot to, well, I was already spending so much money on the products at my local Sally's, and then I got home and tried the products out and realized I really needed a couple more products. So the main product that I'm really excited to try, and really what this video is based off of, because my hair, this is an old wash and go, so I'm gonna try this product on my old wash and go. From the Tropical Moringa, I ordered the Sweet Oil and Honey Endless Moisture Restorative Spray. Helps to support natural growth and retention, which is, I think that's on all their bottles, but it instantly delivers and locks in lasting moisture, helps to improve elasticity and definition, refreshing and reboost curls. That's what I'm really looking for out of this, something I can use other than just like water to refreshen my curls. But this is infused with biotin and moringa seed oil. Moringa seed oil is something new for me, unless I haven't really seen it in any of the products I use, but everything else so far I've been quite satisfied with this product line. So that's what I'm doing today on this old wash and go. I'm excited. I need something for my morning time routine that I can just kind of spray on my hair and just help liven up my curls. So like I said, this style, this is a wash and go that I did with the 3-row comb, and I used all of the Main Choice products, and then I used the 24 karat gold gel, twisting gel, to get this look. And that is, as you can see, it's still really defined. I just probably need to refreshen it a little bit. So far, I'm loving it. I hope you all can really tell from just the way my hair looked before I sprayed the restorative spray. It really did a great job. My hair feels good. Like I said, you know, I did not use any of the creams and oils this time in the past 2 days, and it just helped to kind of bring those products out, and that's good because it doesn't make me feel like the product that I used 2 days ago kind of went to waste. So I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I like it. It's a really smooth product. I like the mist of the bottle. I didn't have to use a lot, so I can see this going really far, whereas my conditioner may not go that far. But anyways, you guys, so I just wanted to bring you a quick little video, and I wanted to really just show this product because I had done my wash and go 2 days ago, and I was like, you know what, let me see how this restorative spray works on my 2-day-old hair, and I'll use this daily as I get up in my routine instead of just spraying water, or if I decide to alternate days. This product is going to be good to use. Just to refresh your curls and restore any of the old products you have in it, restore your curls, help your curls come back to life, and just take out that stiff, dryness of your hair from being just in your protective style all night. So I want to thank you all for coming and watching another video, and I want to definitely say I'm gonna try to get better with my videos and my consistency and post a little more often. So thank you for coming. Please don't forget to go down and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and turn your notification button on so that you do not miss any of my uploads. And I'll see you all in my next video.